very lucky to be able to stay in a place like this. I mean, it has so many things that we can do. We can go shopping, we can go swimming, lay in the sun. It's just a lot of fun, a lot of things to do, and it's helped us come together as a team. We all always go somewhere with somebody, and it's just fun. It's a good time. It's great to relax and be able to play some games at the same time. The sand dunes are interesting because I've never seen that before, where, I mean, you have a flat beach and then all of a sudden you have a giant mountain of sand, and it's interesting.
We just walked a bunch of, say, half an hour on the beach, and then climbed a couple of sand dunes just to get some photo ops and give the coaches a look at what we did the other day. The other day was a pretty significant workout. The sand is excellent to run in. It's really soft, very fine, and the dunes are, you have a selection of intensities. The steepness varies from dune to dune, obviously. So we found a fairly steep dune and did a bunch of drills. I would say they did anywhere from 10 to 12 ups on, what would you say, 30-yard dune. It was a pretty significant workout. They did a pretty good job with it.
Well, I thought today we came out and played much better defense to start the game. We weren't as sluggish as we were yesterday. I think a lot of our players felt better today in terms of their health, and we were, past the jet lag a little bit, and we had a little more pop in our step. And I felt like I got to play a lot of people, a lot of minutes. It helps to be able to put the whole team in and give them a decent amount of minutes, and everyone feels like they contribute. Obviously, we're really working to be a better defensive team. That's our focus, and tomorrow we'll see, just how far we've come on this trip. I think today she felt a little better, although she's not 100%, but she was feeling a whole lot better than she was yesterday. Yesterday she was just very ill, and so it really took a little bit out of our lineup, but she really played well today, gave us some good boards and good minutes and stole the ball a lot, but tomorrow will be a better test for us. Yeah, Jana did some nice things for us today. She's always done that in practice, and this is really the first time she's used it in a game.